So I had been diagnosed with adenomyosis and a little bit of deep infiltrative endometriosis. So every time when I would have my menstrual cycle, I'm just in severe pain for about 5 to 7 days of the month. And I knew I couldn't continue living like this. And it just every month got worse and worse, at least for the last year. So I knew that I did not want to do that at such a young age, really. And I was looking for any other treatment or procedure or anything that could help me decrease the pain but hold on to my uterus. So because it's new to me, but all the research that I did, I found that maybe if it could improve my symptoms even by 50%, it was well worth it. As soon as I got to the hospital and saw that it was so modern and everybody was so lovely and kind and caring, it really kind of put me at ease. It's been really nice, even before and after treatment. And this is when I cry. Sorry. It's been really, really good. It's amazing how fast you work here as well. Like when they decided, they're like, oh no, you need an MRI. I was in an MRI machine within 4 minutes. Not exaggerating, 4 minutes. In the West, that would have taken 6 to 9 months. You can tell that the hospital focuses on the patient and you really take care of the patient. Honestly, I have zero pain today. I wouldn't even know that I'm actually having my period. I wouldn't even know. So it's like a miracle.